Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN TV Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
Bayelsa State Governor Senator Douye Diri has promised to lead the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to victory in the November 11, 2023 governorship elections. Senator Diri made the pledge after he emerged as candidate of the PDP at its recent governorship primaries held in Yenagoa, the Bayelsa state capital.
In readiness for the November 11, 2023 governorship election in Bayelsa State, the People's Democratic Party (PDP) recently held its primaries at the Dr. Gabriel Okara Cultural Center in Yenagoa. Delegates from 8 local government areas of the state cast their votes to affirm the candidature of Senator Douye Diri, who went into the contest unopposed. At the end of the exercise, Senator Ademola Adeleke, governor of Osun State, who was the chief returning officer, announced that Senator Diri polled a total number of 305 votes to emerge as governorship candidate of the PDP in the forthcoming election.
Having satisfied the requirements of this election and having scored the highest number of votes, I, Senator Ademola Jackson Nuruddin Adeleke, by the power vested in me as the chairman, chief returning officer, I repeat, chief returning officer, I hereby declare Senator Douye Diri as the winner of the election, and therefore return him as the candidate of the PDP in the November 2023 election.
Senator Diri, who expressed his profound gratitude to the PDP for considering him fit to become its flag bearer in the forthcoming governorship election in Bayelsa State, promised to retain the trophy in a state where it has maintained political dominance since 1999.
We all witnessed the past presidential and National Assembly elections in Bayelsa State. PDP won all the 3 senatorial seats in Bayelsa State. And so it is not an over-exaggeration when I say that PDP is 100% Bayelsa and Bayelsa is 100% PDP.
Senator Diri assumed office as governor of Bayelsa State with a pledge to run a prosperity government on the occasion of his inauguration on the 14th of February 2020. He is convinced that his achievements will speak for him in the forthcoming governorship election.
In the past 3 years, we have prudently, for the benefit of our people, several projects commenced by the previous administration, completed them, and begun many other projects of our own. It is interesting to see that the state is now an humongous construction site and a capital that at night is wearing again a new look. We can also pride ourselves that in the Committee of States, Bayelsa State is one of the most peaceful states in Nigeria. We will thus be seeking re-election, trusting in the discernment and judgment of you, the electorates, who will enable us to complete projects that we have started and projects that we are yet to start.
For Senator Diri, one good turn deserves another, which is why he is already celebrating his anticipated victory in the November 11, 2023 governorship election in Bayelsa State.
Inside the Niger Delta,